In this video, I am going to talk about my internship experience with Webstack Academy. These are the table of contents that I am going to talk about in this video. So let me first introduce myself. My name is Dhanunjay and I am currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Business Systems in SRK Engineering College. During the past month, I have undergone an internship program with Webstack Academy. Now this is the overview of the internship program. Webstack Academy is providing a free internship for engineering students who want to explore in their careers. And in this internship program, we worked on a MERN stack development, and along with learning, we also built an application called Roomify, which is a MERN stack development WinStack app application, which is like a Airbnb clone, which helps people to list rooms and search for accommodations. Now these are the goals of the internship. It has 4 goals, which is skill building and project experience, and also launch my career in full stack development. And also the third one is transitioning to the new age web development technologies, which is MERN stack, and also learning the skills that are aligned with the industries. Now let me tell you what is full stack development. Full stack web development encompasses of both front-end and back-end. Front-end focus on user interface and design interactions, while back-end manages server-side logic and database interactions. As a full-stack developer, who has an end-to-end responsibility, from web application, from designing user interface to implementing server-side logic and ensuring that seamless communication between front-end and back-end components. Now these are the 4 technologies that are used in MERN stack. The first one is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data in flexible and JSON-like documents, and making it suitable for handling diverse and evolving data structures. And the second technology we use in this is Express.js. Express.js is a minimalist web application framework for Node.js that simplifies the creation of server-side applications and APIs with robust set of features and middleware. And now where the front end comes in the React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interface. Known for its component-based architecture, virtual DOM, and efficient rendering, and making it ideal for building dynamic and interactive web applications. React.js is a front-end technology that we have used in this MERN stack. Now the fourth one is Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code in the server side, enabling it to create a scalable and high performance web applications. So these are the basic overview of MERN stack development. Now this is the architecture and design of MERN stack development. In front end, it is totally taken care of the React.js, and back end is taken care by Node.js and Express, and both of these communicate with the database, whatever that is being sent from the front end. Now what are the advantages of MERN stack over other? You see, in MERN stack, React.js, Express.js, and Node.js, they all have JavaScript in common, which make it more consistency for better coding, and also it helps in developer productivity and also scalability. The MERN stack applications can be easily scaled to accommodate increased traffic and data. Now the third one is performance. Node.js non-blocking event-driven architecture enables high performance and applications, and it also has a huge rich user interface because of React.js. Now these are the advantages of using MERN stack. Now let me introduce you to the features that I have been implemented along with the help of Webstack Academy mentors. First, this is the project features. Here the user comes into the website. First he will log in using his credentials, and if he forgot his password, he will get an email reset his password. Once he reset his password, he will again log in with his password and gets logged in. Once he gets logged in, he has 2 ways. He could list an accommodation, or he could buy an accommodation. If he goes to buy an accommodation, there are two things here, the three things here. First one, the search bar. The search bar allows him to search for the accommodations in a place where he wants to live in, and there's a filter button where he can filter for the customizations that he want in the accommodation, and all of the accommodations will be appear down here. Now once he selects the respective accommodation, he will get redirected to another page where he will see the full details of the property along with its pictures, and there is a booking form that is being there, in which he will give his basic information, and if he is interested, he will click on pay now. Now once he click on the book now, he will be redirected to another page where he is asked to give his credit card details, and once he gives his details and pay now button and clicks on pay now button, he will be redirected to another page where Stripe is taken as a payment process. Now once the payment is done, the booking place will be added to his my bookings place. Now in this profile website, he has three options. One is profile, and another one is my accommodations, and another one is my bookings. The first one is my profile. You will get all of the profile details, and also after down there is a option to upload a photo of the user, and there is another option to reset the password. And if he click on this tab, he will be redirected to his bookings, what are the bookings that he have recently done. And also if he click on this button, he will be redirected to another page where he will be listing a new accommodation, where he can give new accommodations to people. If there is any accommodations, he will list them and post it into the app, and all of the listing will be shown in this home page. So this is about the architecture of the features that we have built in this application. Now let's go into the implementation. Now this is the home page of the application. Here we can see different type of listings of properties. Now let's first sign in and create a new account, new user. Let me give my name as Dhananjay and mail. Now password, phone number. Now let's click on the register. Now the user will be successfully registered. Now let's log in again. Now it's get logged in. Suppose if we forgot the password, then you can click on here, forgot password, and if we give our mail, registered mail, the mail will be sent to the registered mail. If we click on send mail, it shows like email sent, please check your box. Now if I go into the mailbox, if I refresh it, you see here I got a link to reset my password. If I click on reset button, it will be redirected to another page where I can update my password. Let's say now set password. Now I am going to log in with the new password. Now click on login. Now this is the overview of the authentication. Now if I go to my account page, I could see my bookings and my accommodations. Since I haven't done any bookings and accommodations, it shows nil. And if I want to update my profile, I can click on edit profile, and if I want to have my profile profile photo, I could also upload it here. I click on this and upload, open and update, and it will be updated in my profile. You see here the image is updated. Now if I want to change my password, I can click on here and change my password, and if I click on update password, it will get updated. See here, the password will be the password has been updated. Now let's see the listings. Suppose if I want to search listings in a Ooty, let's search Ooty here, and I want to stay in Ooty from 1st April to 3rd April. How many guests? Let's say I'm going to have 3 guests. Let's search for the places. Now I have one property in the Ooty, so let's see this property. So if I get into this, here we can see the name of the property and the address of the property, and also you can also see the pictures of it. If I want to see more, I can click on this and get pictures of it. Okay, now let's go to back. Here I get a description of it and what is this place offers and all of these things, and this is the map and extra information of it. Now again, if I want, now let's search for another place like Pune, and I want to live there for this much time, and number of guests would be 3, and I want to apply filters for this search. Like I want the price should be between 10,000, must be below 10,000, and I want amenities like Wi-Fi, AC, TV, and free parking and a kitchen. Now let's apply the filters. You see, I got one property which satisfies my needs. So if I go to this property, it gives all of the details that I need to know about this property, and this is the map that shows where this exact location is. Now if I am interested in this property, I could select the date when I am going to live in this property, and number of guests, and my name, my phone number. Once you give my phone number, I could, if I click on this book place, it will be redirected to another page. Now if I give my credit card number here and my card expiry date and CVC, if I click on pay now button, the place will be booked on the respective dates. Now the place is booked on these days, and it will be shown in this my bookings page. And if I go to my Stripe, I could see here the recent payment that is succeeded, which is 15,000. Now this is my bookings page. Now in my profile page, this is things, and if I want to accommodate a new place, if I want to list a new place, I could do that by going to my accommodations page and adding new place. Now I want to add a place called Antilla, and address is this. City, it's Mumbai, and state is Maharashtra. and the pin code is 4006. Now let's upload the images of Antilla. There should be minimum of 5 images. I uploaded 5 images. Now let's see, let's give the description. Let's just give the description of it. Now it is a place for everything, like that. If you can give anything of description. Now the property type, it's a house, and room type you can give anything based on it, and amenities you can select it. And you can also give extra information about the home, and I would say it's an Banis home, like that. You can give, and if there is check-in and check-out time, you can also give that. It could be like 6 a.m. to 9 or 10, whatever it is. You can give time here, 10 p.m. and maximum number of guests you can give, and how much is the price per night. I'm gonna include like 7,000 here, and let's save this accommodation. Now this is the accommodation that I am providing for other people. So if they search this in Mumbai, they search in Mumbai here, Mumbai, and I want this place from this 29 to 30, and number of people is 2, and I search it, I will get this place. And if I go there, I will see the photos of it and the description of how many guests and what are the place offers, and there I can also see the position, the place where it is, and it's an Ambani home, extra information like that. So this is how we can give accommodate a new place in this application. So this is the total app overview and presentation. Now let's go back to the presentation. Now with this, I'm going to conclude my internship experience with Webstack Academy. Now the key learnings of this internship is two things, which is gain the proficiency in MERN stack and getting to know about the new technology in depth. And I also got a hands-on experience on this technology and what is the industry is working on, what is the industry level type coding practices. So with this, I want to conclude this video, and I want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to intern at your company. Thank you, Webstack Academy, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.